K. Shinde, Associate and Head Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srimangal, District Ahmednagar. I delivered a lecture on SY-BSc CB Created Choice Based Credit System, Semester 3rd, Paper 1st, Taxonomy of Angiosperms, Unit number 4, Study of Families. Today we learn comparative account of 8 families which is included in our syllabus. That is 3 Polypetalii family, 3 Gamopetalii family, 1 Apetalii family and 1 monocot family. Only distinguishing characters we learn. First family, Anomaceae. Distinguishing characters of the family Anomaceae. Leaf, simple, petiolate, exstipulate, gland-dotted, entire. Then family Brassicaceae, leaf, simple, petiolate, exstipulate, alternate or at the apex hold, lyrate, sometimes lobed, apex acute, reticulate venation. Then family Myrtaceae. Family Myrtaceae, leaf, simple, small petiole, exstipulate, intramarginal veins are present, reticulate venation, apex acute, hairy. Then fourth family, Gamopetalii family. Family Rubiaceae, leaf simple, stipulate, inter and intramarginal stipules are present, inter and intrapetiolar stipules are present, entire margin, apex acute, reticulate venation. Then fifth family, family Apocynaceae, leaf simple, apposite or decussate or sometimes fold, reticulate venation, entire margin, apex acute. Then family number 6, family Solanaceae. Solanaceae family shows leaf, simple, petiolate, lamina oblique, exstipulate, margin entire or teethed or lobed, apex acute, reticulate venation. Hairy growths are present on the leaf, sometimes on the lower surface. Then family Nyctageraceae, 7th family, Apetalii family or subclass Monoclamidae or Apetalii. In this family, perianth is the present. Calyx and corolla distinguish from perianth, and perianth are in a series, uniseries or biseries. In this type, in this family, leaves are or leaf is simple, petiolate, exstipulate, sometimes small spiny stipules are present, cordate, margin entire, reticulate venation, apex acute. Then family Amaryllidaceae. Family Amaryllidaceae belong to class Dipod, subclass is Abucet, series Epigyne. In this family, example is Amaryllis belladonna, Polyanthus tuberosa. Leaf is simple, exstipulate, linear, lanceolate, parallel venation is present. Then second character, distinguishing character of the family Anomaceae. Inflorescence solitary, axillary. Then in Brassicaceae, inflorescence solitary, axillary, cyme or sometimes racemo or panicle. In family Myrtaceae, inflorescence spike, beautiful, bottle-shaped flowers are arranged on the peduncle. That is solitary or cyme. In family Rubiaceae, inflorescence solitary, cyme or sometimes helicoid cyme, important types of inflorescence present in the family Rubiaceae. Then family Apocynaceae, inflorescence arrayed in a group, cyme or solitary, family Solanaceae, inflorescence solitary cyme or axillary. In family Nyctiginaceae, inflorescence cyme. In family Amaryllidaceae, inflorescence racemose, spike types of inflorescence. Then flower. In family Annonaceae, flower is bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, trimerous or pentamerous, spirally arranged stamens. In family Brassicaceae, flower is complete, bracteate, bisexual, hypogynous, showy, corolla with claws and limbs. In family Myrtaceae, flower is complete, epigynous, that is epigynous, stamens, stamens, calyx, corolla are present above the ovary, that is ovary inferior. Epigynous is present around the ovary. Then family Apocynaceae, flower actinomorphic, bisexual, superior, complete, hypogynous. In family Solanaceae, flower actinomorphic, bisexual, bracteate, hypogynous, funnel shaped, pentamerous. In family Brassicaceae, flower is tetramerous. Then family Nyctiginaceae, flower complete, showy, attractive. In family Amaryllidaceae, flower actinomorphic, bisexual, bracteate, bracteolate, epigynous, bent. Then corolla. In Annonaceae, corolla 3 polypetalous, 3 in number and fleshy. And in Brassicaceae, corolla 4, that is 2 plus 2 with claws and limb. Petal is with claws and limb. Cruciform corolla. In family Myrtaceae, corolla attractive, showy, orange colored, 4 to 5 in number. In family Apocynaceae, family Rubiaceae, corolla tubular, funnel shaped or salver shaped. In family Apocynaceae, corolla salver shaped, funnel shaped, bell shaped, tubular. In family Nyctiginaceae, corolla tubular or campanulate. In family Amaryllidaceae, corolla bent, showy, attractive. Then calyx. In family Annonaceae, calyx 3 in number. In Brassicaceae, calyx 3, calyx 4, there is 2 plus 2. In Myrtaceae, calyx 5, 4 to 5, fused around the ovary, form calyx 2. In Solanaceae, calyx funnel shaped or tubular. In Rubiaceae, calyx also funnel shaped or tubular. In family of Nyctiginaceae, calyx small, calyx and corolla absent, perianth present. In family Amaryllidaceae, calyx absent, corolla absent, they are distributed into perianth. Then androecium. In androecium, stamens are many, spirocyclic arranged. In Brassicaceae, stamens are 6, 4 long and 2 short, that is tetradidymus stamens. In Myrtaceae, stamens are many, intros in bud condition. In Solanaceae, stamens are 5, filament long, basifixed and equal in length and epipetalous. In the Rubiaceae, stamens are also epipetalous, 4 to 5. In In apophysis, stamens are also 4 to 5 attached to the corolla tube. Corolla in corolla is present, anther sagittate or appendiculate in nerium. In Nyctigenaceae, stamens are 9 attached on the parent tube, and in Amaryllidaceae, stamens are 6, that is 3 plus 3 epitapalus, and in Nyctigenaceae, stamens are also epitapalus. Gynoecium. In Anonaceae, ovary polycarpellary, apocarpus superior with axial or basal, not axial, basal placentation. In Brassicaceae, ovary bicarpellary, syncarpus superior with axial placentation, with parietal placentation. Bilocular, it looks like tetralocular because of false septum. In Myrtaceae, fruit capsule type, that is ovary 4 to 5 carpellary, syncarpus inferior with axial placentation. In Rubiaceae, ovary 4 to 5 carpellary, generally 2 carpellary, bicarpellary, syncarpus inferior with axial placentation, placenta T-shaped. In Apocynaceae, ovary also bicarpellary, syncarpus superior with axial placentation. In Solanaceae, ovary bicarpellary, syncarpus superior with axial placentation. Ovary spiny, oblique, binocular, it looks like tetralocular because of false septum. In Nyctigenaceae, ovary monocarpellary with basal ovule. In Nyctigenaceae, ovary monocarpellary with basal ovule, and in Amaryllidaceae, ovary tricarpellary, syncarpus inferior with axial placentation. Then fruit. In Brassicaceae, in Anonaceae, fruit and aggregate itereo berries. In Brassicaceae, siliqua types. In Myrtaceae, capsular drupe. In Rubiaceae, capsular drupe also. In Solanaceae, fruit is capsule or drupe or berry. In Apocynaceae, fruit is pair of follicle. In Nyctigenaceae, fruit with capsule with single ovule. And in Amaryllidaceae, fruit is capsule. Then floral formula. Family Amaryllidaceae floral formula: flower bracteate or ebracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, K3, C3, that is calyx 3, corolla 3, stamens mini, gynoecium mini, that is apocarpus 3, superior ovary with basal placentation. Brassicaceae, ovary, flower, in Brassicaceae, flower, that is floral formula: flower bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 4, that is 2 plus 2, 3, corolla 4, that is 2 plus 2, that is claw and limb. Ovary, stamens 6, 4 plus 2, 4 line and 2 short. Ovary bicarpellary, syncarpus superior with parietal placentation. In Myrtaceae, flower bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, K4 to 5, C4 to 5, A mini, G2 to 5 or 2 to 4, axial. In Rubiaceae, flower bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, K4 to 5, C4 to 5, A4 to 5, gynoecium also 4 to 5, superior with axial placentation, placenta T-shaped. In Solanaceae, flower bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, corolla, calyx 5, corolla 5, gamopetalous, calyx 5, gamosepalous, stamens 5, equal in length, epipetalous, ovary bicarpellary syncarpus superior with axial placentation. In Apocynaceae, flower bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, K4 to 5, C5, A5, gynoecium, bicarpellary, syncarpus, superior with axial placentation. In Nyctiginaceae, in Nyctiginaceae, flower bracteate, bracteolate, actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth 3+3, androecium 9, gynoecium 1, superior with basal placentation. Stamens are epitapelous. In our lineaceae, flower bracteate, bracteolate, actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth 3+3, Gamophilus, androecium 3+3, present on the perianth tube, tricarpellary, syncarpus, inferior with axial placentation. These are distribution characters of the 8 families which is included in our syllabus. Then economic important plants of these 8 families: family Annonaceae, Annona squamosa, Annona reticulata, Polythia longiculea, Atra artabutu odoratissimus. Then family Brassicaceae, Raphanus sativus, Brassica oleracea, Brassica oleracea varieties campestris, Brassica oleracea varieties botrytis, Capsula bursa prosteris. Then family Myrtaceae, economic important plants: Spidum goa, Eugenia jamboliana, Eucalyptus alba, Callistomal lanceolatus, Syzygium aromaticum. These are economic important plants. In family Rubiaceae, Rubia cardifolia, Coppea arabica, Anthocephalus cadamba, Raulfia serpentina. These are examples of family Rubiaceae. Then family Solanaceae, Datura mater, Vidania sumifera, Lycopersicum esculentum, Solanum melogena, Solanum tuberosum, Capsicum annum. These are examples of family Solanaceae. Family Apocynaceae. Example is Vincarosia, Nerium odorum or odoratum, Astones quadris. These are examples of Apocynaceae. Plumeria rubra, Plumeria alba. Then family Nyctiginaceae. In this family, Bougainvillea spectabilis, Mirabilis chalappa, Bohorevia diffusa, Bohorevia digripens. These are examples of family Nyctiginaceae. Then family Amaryllis, Belladonna, Pancratium, Crinum, Polyanthus tuberosa. These are examples of family Amaryllidaceae. These are comparative characters of 8 families in SYBC syllabus, that is distribution characters, floral formula and economic importance. Thank you.